Materials required: white card sheet, white t-shirt, toothbrush, newspaper, paper knife, pencil, fabric colors. First, draw a design on the white card sheet measuring one side of the t-shirt. Next, cut out the drawn design using a paper knife, carefully tracing the outline just like this. This is your paper die that will be used to paint the design on the t-shirt. Now, insert a newspaper in between the t-shirt to prevent spreading of colors. Place the paper die on the t-shirt and cover the rest part of the t-shirt with a piece of newspaper. Mix red and yellow fabric colors in a few drops of water and dip a toothbrush in it. Now spray the colors using the toothbrush on the paper die placed on the t-shirt. Leave the paint to dry for some time. After the paint is dry, remove the paper die from the t-shirt and also the newspaper that was inserted inside the t-shirt. Your spray painting is ready. We are sure you will use it on many of your clothes.